keep thinking, in a big shake, one of the most dangerous things can be something you can't see from inside. Just one brick dropped from a height can cause plenty of damage. Now imagine a whole structure made of them coming down. Thousands of chimneys have either been damaged or collapsed in recent quakes, like the ones in Christchurch and Kaikoura. The most dangerous chimneys are built from brick or concrete, and the ones found in homes built before the 1970s, they don't have extra reinforcement to make them safer. That makes them extra risky. That part up there, if that comes down, it's not pretty. The good news is, for most of us, we can sort it with just one tool, this. Get a builder around, see what they can do to make your chimney safe. Me, I just get a second opinion. Let's give Grandpa a shout.
You shouted?
What do you reckon?
If you can, take it out from the top to the bottom. And if that's too much of a major, take out this bit, down to the roof line.
If you use your chimney, you can replace that part with a more lightweight metal flue. What's that?
I said, if you can't remove or replace your chimney right now, there are other things you can do in the meantime to make it stronger and safer. Stuff like adding restraints to secure it, or extra plywood bracing in here to help stop falling bricks or concrete ending up down there.
If your chimney is showing any signs of damage, like cracking, leaning, or loose masonry, use this and call one of these as soon as. There's no one size fits all with chimneys. You just have to see what's best for your place.